How many hours a day do your load planners spend using manual processes to optimize shipments and routes? 2 hours? 3 hours? More? Today we'll show you how shipments can be optimized using the award-winning LoadFusion Transportation Optimizer from UltraShipTMS in just around 90 seconds. Let's begin. In today's demo, we'll be looking at orders from a fictitious plant shipping materials from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here are 150 orders that have been preloaded into the system for optimization. These orders are for delivery between November 11th and November 12th. There are two different temperature settings for these orders, refrigerated and non-refrigerated. Using the sort feature on the temperature column, we can see the two different temperature settings. There are also pre-configured settings for two different types of product packaging. In this example, the packaging types are cases and totes, but the system can display any package type you may use. We have preset the business rules to disallow the optimizer from combining products with different temperature settings or packaging types. The next step is to select all 150 orders using the drop-down menu here. Once they have all been selected, choose the Action button here to ready these orders for optimization. This step effectively locks the orders so that other users cannot optimize or modify these orders at the same time. As you'll see, there are several profiles configured here to select from. As our fictitious program here is an outbound model, the user would select Default Out. Profiles and profile options will be covered more in another video segment. But for the current demo, we've selected all 150 orders and they're ready for optimization. At this point, the user clicks Optimize. In the few moments while the optimization is being calculated, we'll take this opportunity to remind viewers that the LoadFusion Optimizer is a SaaS or web-based optimizer which may be used equally effectively for inbound and/or outbound shipments. In addition, it can be used to perform order consolidation, routing, and scheduling. LoadFusion provides a fleet and driver optimization module as well. After the brief optimization calculation is complete, the user arrives at this optimization summary page. Reviewing the top line, we can see that we began with the original 150 orders. Based on the pre-configured business rules, delivery dates, and customer appointment times, those 150 orders have been consolidated and routed into 84 shipments. LoadFusion can be configured to produce a wide range of results from best service to lowest costs, depending on the stated business needs. There are a good deal of additional shipment statistics here on this page, which we'd be happy to clarify and elaborate upon should you wish to engage a detailed one-on-one demo via WebEx. Note here that the newly optimized route data can be easily exported to Microsoft Excel using the Excel icon here. Moving now to the visual consolidation screen, we can view the 84 shipments as line items. Visible fields include route number, lane, stops, weight, pallets, pickup date, miles on the shipment, miles per day, costs, numbers or orders per shipment. Next, let's expand using the plus sign to show all 84 shipments on the map. Each line here is a shipment. I'm going to minimize the line items briefly to show all the shipments on a large map. Note the origin point here in green at the Norristown facility. Zoom in or out and scroll around the map. To focus on a region or any specific states, simply enter the state's abbreviation into this field and click Go to filter the results down to only the states I have selected to view. Refresh the map and we can see only the Florida and Georgia loads on the map. With these loads isolated, users can now use a simple drag and drop interface to fine-tune routes. When last-minute changes come through, they can easily be made using the drag and drop capability. For example, if I wanted to move this Jacksonville load onto this Orlando-bound shipment, I simply move it to the desired location. You'll see that this change has triggered a system warning to inform me that I have exceeded my maximum shipment value. These are soft warnings, which allow a user to continue to work within the optimizer to make adjustments, but will not allow these shipments to be entered back into UltraShipTMS or whichever TMS you're using until violations have been corrected. Through this interface, users can fine-tune shipments and see quite quickly the appointment times that have been requested. Determining if the newly optimized shipments will fall within those appointment windows is accomplished easily using LoadFusion's graphical appointment window viewer. The blue bar representing the available delivery window, and the yellow bar indicating where the shipment should arrive within the specified time. Undoing changes that may prompt warnings is easy by clicking Undo to revert back to the original route. This concludes the demonstration of the speed and ease of use that comes with the LoadFusion Transportation Optimizer. Simple, easy to use, efficient, and an exceptional value for the modest cost involved. The LoadFusion Transportation Optimizer will drive significant cost savings, efficiency, and accountability while freeing up transportation personnel to focus on more strategic concerns. If you'd like additional information, or if you'd like a live demonstration of this product, please reach out to us by dialing 800-731-7512 or fill out our demo request form online at www.ultrashiptms.com and someone will respond to you immediately. Thanks for watching.